Hello, YouTube. What I want to let you know today is that mushrooms with antioxidant effects were found in the Urals. Urals is a part of Russia I often talk about in regards to various paranormal phenomena. Well, this is not paranormal, but this is very, very useful information for a number of people, and hopefully they can use it. In the Urals, polypores mushrooms, relatives of the Chinese medicinal Reishi, were found to have strong antioxidant effects. Studies have shown that the substances have high biological activity. The results of the experiments have been published in the AIP conference proceedings. The work of Ural biologists was supported by the Ministry of Science and Higher Education and Science. Reishi mushroom, Ganoderma lucidum, is best known in traditional and well studied in modern medicine in China, Japan, Korea. In Asia, these mushrooms are used for treatment. They have immunomodulatory, antiviral, antitumor, neuroprotective, and anti-diabetic effects. Their activity is based on a complex of substances, mainly terpenic acids, terpene alcohols, and steroids. Terpenic is an adjective derived from the word terpene. Terpenes are a class of unsaturated hydrocarbons found in many plants, especially in their essential oils, and are made up of repeating isoprene units. Terpenic refers to anything related to or derived from these compounds. Isoprene units are the fundamental building blocks of many naturally occurring organic compounds, particularly terpenoids, and which are known for their diverse biological functions and roles in plant protection. Well, Ural mushrooms showed similar biological activity, according to Alexander Yermashin, Associate Professor of Department of Experimental Biology and Biotechnologies. Over 4 years, researchers at Ural Federal University have screened more than 20 species. Of these, less than half with high antioxidant activity were selected. Then, for the selected species, biological activity was tested on animal cells. Physiology colleagues tested the extracts on artificially cultured animal cells, normal and tumor cells. The study showed that normal cells did not die or grow better, while cancer cells died. There's still a long way to go before a cancer drug is created, but they're working in this direction, according to Yermashin. So far, scientists are working with wild species of mushrooms, but the plan is to cultivate this species in the laboratory. During research, scientists also found that these mushrooms extracts not only affect animal cells, but also protect plants from heavy metals, allowing them to survive in contaminated soils. Oxidative stress exists not only in animals and humans, but also in plants. In the Urals, for example, in addition to climatic factors, contaminated soils can be such negative factors. If we plant plants in soil contaminated with heavy metals, the plants can grow poorly or die. But when we add mushroom extracts to the same environment, the plants get better. Their survival rate increases, their growth improves. We checked it out, it works. We haven't seen this kind of information in the scientific literature before, said Alexander Yermashin. In the Urals, trutavik refers to various species of bracket fungi, particularly sulfur, shelf or chicken of the woods, and birch polypore. These fungi are commonly found growing on trees, both living and dead. In the Sverdlovsk region and other forested regions of Russia, there are many trutavik fungi. This wood-destroying fungi grow on living and dead trees. Earlier, such mushrooms were considered mainly as a problem for forests. Now, Ural Federal University scientists, based on the experience of their Chinese colleagues, have decided to turn the problem for good. And They've been doing this for several years, and it's just, we're all curious to find out what are the latest results of their research, and I'm sure it will be published, and I will let you know, because I monitor such scientific breakthroughs from the Russian Federation and China specifically. Oxygen is a strong oxidant that can break down organic molecules. The body always maintains a balance of pro-oxidant and antioxidant reactions. If the balance is broken, oxidative stress develops. By and large, all kinds of stress, alcohol abuse, nervous overexertion, exertion, etc. in the body are reduced to oxidative stress at the molecular level. The dominant concept today is that eating substances with high antioxidant activity can reduce oxidative stress and prolong health. Many dietary supplements are based on this, or claim to be. Well, Urals Federal University is one of the leading universities in Russia, founded in the year 1920. It is located in Yekaterinburg, the capital of the Ural region, an economic, industrial, scientific, and cultural center of Russia. The university is the project office of the Ural Interregional Research and Education Center, Advanced Industrial Technologies and Materials, designed for solving tasks of science, the national project. Outside of that, in my channel, you can find quite a lot about very unusual phenomena that I would say found only in the Urals. And I'm sure you can explore my channel and find out more. I want to thank you for your attention to my videos. If you like my research, please support through the links you find in the description to this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos.